Hmm. Hmm. I want silence, please. You can go out if you don't want to sit in the class. माधव कब आपकी नोटबुक खुलेगी? Personal, interrogative, demonstrative, possessive and relative. This line, Harmeet. Personal pronoun examples. Okay. Bishop, personal pronouns, further 3 kinds. Name them. 3 kinds of personal pronoun. अर्गुन, मैंने आपको बैठने को नहीं कहा. First person, second person, third person. Sitesh, first person includes which type of words? And us. I, we, me, us. 4 words are there. Argun, second person. Huh? Next, Rajaryan, third person. He, she, they, him. 1 is left only. It, okay, ek or them. Now this line, Ruhani. Ruhani, which words are included in demonstrative pronoun? And there is one identification also. This plus dash. This plus verb, okay. Mitarthi, possessive pronouns. Mine, theirs, his, hers, okay. Jasmine, relative. Or there is one एक कहावत है, नकल भी अकल से होती है. Okay, wait, please. Wait. Madhav. Relative pronoun. Okay, sit down. Now I'm moving to next type, please. Now quiet. Jasmine, इसमें से yellow card निकालना. Number 6 type is reflexive pronoun. All self words are included in reflexive pronoun. Myself, itself, are and them, they will take selves. So these words are included in reflexive pronoun and they are very important. You can't remove them. If you will remove them, they will not make sense. They will not make sense if you will remove them. No, beta, themselves. Themselves. For example, they laughed at themselves. So remove this word themselves. They laughed at. The sense is incomplete. So this is your reflexive pronoun. Generally they come at the end. ठीक है, ये end में आते हैं. So there is one similar kind of pronoun that is called emphatic pronoun. That is your 7th type. Emphatic. Emphatic also include these type of pronouns. ये same होता है बिल्कुल. But it comes before the verb. ये verb से पहले आता है. For example, I myself completed this work. I myself completed this work, which is the verb here. Verb से ये पहले आएगा myself. It is used to give stress. इसको stress देना हमने that I myself complete. So many times teachers ask you कि आपने अपना काम खुद किया है, then you give stress. Yes ma'am, मैंने अपने आप अपना काम किया है. So to give stress. I completed this work myself. अगर ऐसे आता तो it can be reflexive and it can be emphatic. क्योंकि अगर आप myself हटा के देखो please. I completed this work. Myself नहीं भी होएगा तो it makes sense. So that is emphatic. Emphatic. नहीं, no. Yes. Reflexive. Yes, beta, it becomes emphatic when it comes here. ठीक है? विश्व मैंने आपसे भी पूछना है बेटा. Now give me more example. First of all, reflexive, please. One by one. I'm starting with this line. Give example of reflexive. This line. It's a. No reflexive, beta. Okay. We ourselves played this game, which is the verb here. Played से पहले आ रहे तो this will become emphatic. One more. Yes, Karthik, then Adgun. You. Okay. आ सकता है. My car is beautiful itself. Here yourself is which kind of pronoun? Yes, emphatic. Online students, you also raise hand, please. Huh? Okay. Then वो क्या type होगी? Sit down, please. Sit down. I do my homework myself. Myself is which kind? Bishop, बताओ. Harmeet. Raghav. One example. He himself. Okay, I'm changing. Is it clear, everyone? Reflexive and emphatic. They have same words in them, but only the position is different. क्या हुआ माधव? Yes. Amarjot, which kind of pronoun? Please tell me. This is? Now we have done 6th and 7th type. Now move to 8th one. Thank you. Yes, everyone. Number 8 is indefinite pronoun. You don't have actual knowledge of this person, so you just guess it. Someone is knocking the door. You actually don't know who's knocking the door. You just make one guess. So someone. No, each no. No. वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव होते हैं बेटा. Few is adjective. Few adjective होते हैं. Few are interested. अगर इसके बाद verb लिखा है, then it can come. Few are interested in dance competition. If verb is written after few, then it is pronoun. Yes. Everyone, everybody. 1 minute. Huh? पहले बोल देना. हरमीत. आ सकते बेटा. So these are the indefinite pronoun. You don't have actually you don't actually know the person actually. So this is just a guess here. Someone is knocking the door. Anyone who's interested in this game can contact. Nobody is interested. So few are interested in. Yes, nobody is crying. Few are crying. Few are happy. So few plus verb should be there. Many के साथ भी verb. Yes. Now last type, please. After last type, there will be a quiz also. Now please get ready. और चाहिए? Few plus verb, many plus verb. Now distributive pronouns, everyone. So out of one group, you talk about each person or one person. You talk about one person. Bishop, please. Bus up. Out of one group, you talk about one person, one place, one thing. Like out of all class, I'm talking about each student. हर एक student की बात हो रही है. So each student is happy. Each one is happy. Every रहने दो बेटा. Every is actually adjective. Don't write every. Basically, 2-3 words are there. Each, either, neither, none. Now revise the types. I'll take your quiz now. Adjective beta. Ananya, where are you? Okay. So my question is, the girl who's standing there is my cousin. The girl who's standing there is my cousin. Yes, Ananya.
The girl who is
Ananya, please speak up. Okay, time up. आ सकती है. This line. No, sorry. I to P. आधे बच्चे मीटिंग ही लीव कर गए. Very nice. There is no one from B team. There is no one from team C, and only okay team C. Team C में है. There are 4 students. 4 students. Ananya team A, Gaurish team B, Avneet team C, and Shubh team D. Chalo, Gaurish, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
He's sitting with video off. I don't know what he's present or not.
Yes, ma'am.
The shopkeeper, bus beta, the shopkeeper. क्यों? अनन्या टीम में है बेटा. Ananya. Gaurish, the shopkeeper did not have the dress that I wanted.
And the shopkeeper did not have the dress that I wanted.
Yes.
Ma'am, that relative pronoun.
Anyone else? Anything else? एक ठीक है आपका.
Ma'am, एकदम sentence आप एकदम दोबारा
The
repeat कर दो.
shopkeeper did not have the dress that I wanted. And stop doing this, Bishop. दे दो मेरे को पेन दोनों.
Yes.
The shopkeeper.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I personal pronoun. I first person.
So team C, I hope Avneet you are there. Avneet, unmute please. Avneet. Okay, team C please. नहीं है Avneet यहाँ पे. राजा आर्यन. Who is the culprit? Who is the culprit? Who is the culprit? Which pronoun? Yes. Shop, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody has taken my notebook. Somebody has taken my notebook.
Ma'am, somebody indefinite pronoun.
Now offline students. Gurnoor. Beta, I think we have written none in distributive. जो none है उसको indefinite में कर देना, ठीक है? Yes. Gurnoor, my question is. Neither is a very good picture. Neither is a good picture. Which? Huh? This line. छुप कौन रहे? Okay, Madhav. Don't use my phone, use yours. Don't use my phone, use yours. Which one? This line. अभी उनकी टर्न नहीं आई थी, इट्स ओके. यस, माय एडजेक्टिव है बेटा. प्लीज जैसन प्लीज, -5 हो जाएंगे बेटा. The gift that you gave me was beautiful. The gift that you gave me was beautiful. That, which type? दोबारा से. Okay, कोई और pronoun है? The gift that you gave me was beautiful. No. Okay. That is relative, not demonstrative. The gift that I gave you. Center में आ रहा है बेटा. This line. Jyotin. You must complete your work yourself. You must complete your work yourself. अच्छा, yourself, हाँ. Okay. I think हमें total कर देना चाहिए because time. Team C, now I will ask you question, please. Team C. One by one now. Akshara. चलो कल. So tomorrow, beta, tomorrow. Bye.